A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. So today we will continue the revision of chapter number 2 of chemistry, that is matter around us pure? So yesterday we have discussed different types of solutions. We have revised different types of solutions. Now today we will understand and revise the concept of concentration of solutions. Concentration of solutions. So what do you mean by concentration of solution? The concentration of a solution can be defined as the amount of solute which is dissolved in a given amount of solvent or solution. Means simply we can say that if we are taking a sugar solution, that how much sugar is dissolved in a given amount of solvent, that is water or the solution. So the concentration of a solution can be defined as amount of solute. If we see it in terms of formula, concentration of solution can be defined as amount of solute divided by the amount of solvent. Means how much solute is taken in how much amount of solution. Or we can also say that, depending on the numericals, amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent. Okay, concentration of the solution is the amount of solute divided by amount of solution. Okay, so basically concentration of a solution simply means how much amount of solute is being dissolved in given amount of solution or given amount of solvent. Okay, now the concentration of solution can be expressed in various ways. There are various ways, there are a number of ways in which the concentration of a solution can be explained, can be expressed. In your syllabus you have two types of concentration of solutions. The first one is mass by mass percentage of solution. The first one is mass by mass percentage of solution. Okay. The second one is mass by volume percentage of solution. There are two ways to express the concentration of a solution. The first one is mass by mass percentage of solution, and the second one is mass by volume percentage of solution. Now let us discuss these two one by one. Now let us understand the first type of expressing the concentration, that is mass by mass percentage of solution. How we calculate mass by mass percentage? So as the name suggests, mass by mass, we will be taking the amount in terms of mass. Okay, so the formula becomes mass. We know how to calculate concentration, amount of solute upon amount of solution. So in this mass by mass percentage we will take mass. So first of all, mass of solute upon mass of solution. Mass of solute upon mass of solution, and it is percentage, so we will multiply it by 100. So the formula becomes mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Okay, now we know that the solution is made up of two components, solute and solvent. So how you will calculate the mass of solution? We will simply add the mass of solute to the mass of solvent. We will get the mass of the solution. So the formula becomes, in place of mass of solution you can write mass of solute plus mass of solvent, because it is the mass of solution, and for the percentage you will multiply it by 100. So the formula becomes mass of solute divided by mass of solute plus mass of solvent to give mass of solution into 100. So this is the formula by which we calculate mass by mass percentage of solution. Okay? Okay students, so now understand mass by mass percentage of solution with the help of a numerical. So let us solve this numerical. The question is, a solution is prepared by dissolving 5 gram of urea in 95 gram of water. A solution is prepared by dissolving 5 gram of urea in 95 gram of water. Calculate the mass by mass percentage of the solution. Okay. So first of all, we will write the formula. How we calculate? The formula is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. This is the formula. Okay. So what is the mass of solute? In this, solute is urea. So the mass of solute is given 5 gram. Okay. Mass of solute is 5 gram. And what will be the mass of solution? Mass of solution we get by adding the mass of solute to the mass of solvent. Here urea is the solute and water is the solvent. So when we add the mass of urea to the mass of water, we will get the mass of solution. So what you will do? The mass of solute is 5, urea is 5, and the mass of solution, mass of solvent, that is 95 gram. Okay, into 100. Got it? Now simply do the calculations. 5 upon 5 plus 95, 100 into 100. Okay, this 100 will cancel out this 100. So the answer is 5% mass by mass. So the mass by mass percentage is 5%. I hope you understood this numerical. Now let us solve one more numerical. The question is, calculate the mass of glucose and the mass of water to make 250 gram of 25% of solution of glucose. So in this case, the situation is reversed from the previous numerical. Now we are given the percentage of the solution. Now we are given the mass by mass percentage of the solution. We are given the mass of the solution. We have to calculate the mass of the solute and the mass of the solvent. Okay. So now, first of all, we know that mass by mass percentage is equals to, the formula is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. This is the formula we know. So in this case, the solute is glucose. Okay, water is the solvent. So what we will write? The formula becomes mass of glucose upon mass of the solution. You are provided the mass of the solution in the question. You can read, to make 250 gram of 25% solution of glucose. You are given the percentage also. So here you will write 25. Okay. Mass of glucose we have to calculate. Mass of solution is given 250 into 100. Okay. Now if you want to calculate mass of glucose, keep this on one side and all the numerical values on one side. So this 250 will be multiplied by 25 on the other side upon this 100 will come here in the division. Okay. So this 0 will cancel the 0. Now 25 into 25, it is 625. 625 divided by 10. So answer comes 62.5 gram. So mass of glucose is 62.5 grams. Now you have to calculate the mass of water also. So how you will do that? How you will do that? See, we know that mass of solution is equals to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. We have calculated the mass of solute, we have calculated the mass of glucose, it is 62.5 gram, and mass of solution is already given 250 gram. So 250 gram is equals to mass of solute is mass of glucose, that is 62.5 plus mass of solvent. So mass of solvent is 250 minus 62.5. Okay, 250 minus 62.5. So you do the subtraction. 250 minus 62.5. It comes 187.5 grams. So the mass of solvent is 187.5 gram. Got it?